sorry, Charmander. He's cute. Fire starter Pokemon. Yeah, he is. Oh, okay. 31 experience points? What just happened? Why? Well, that's a lot of levels, to be honest. Level 138. That's how he gains this much. Charmander. It could have evolved to Charizard. No. Yeah, it would skip its second evolutions if it were to level up like that. All the way to 100. And something. Luna? I'm the only one for you? Yes. Probably yes. He is. That's how dogs be. I want you. You are my favorite human? Oh my gosh. Use tackle. Why? Charmander is back to level 1. What? You're at level 138 or something? And then, instead, back to level 1. I don't know why. This is too many experience points. It's only 31, not 1,000. And something. Wake up! Oh my goodness. Charmander. Look at him. He's so cute. 16 this time. Oh, come on. No, it's only 16 points. Not 1,000 to level 100. That doesn't make sense. Why? Excuse me, but that's... Yeah. Excuse me, but it wouldn't go to level 101. No. No, it wouldn't. It's evolving. Oh, no. Charmander. Oh, no. Why? Come on, let me tap on you. Oh, good. It's still working. Can't see it's working. Ow. He got his Charmander evolved. All because of level 101. Which that ridiculously doesn't make sense when it's just 16 experience points. Oh, let me guess. Another one. Rattata? Okay. Charmeleon. Okay. Not again! Wait, what happened? What? It went back. What is... Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Oops. Oh no. What? Huh? Now it went down level. That doesn't make sense too. Okay, Luna, stop. You can't even get angry at Mimpi over there. You're at the top. Actually, you can see through him. And then that means you're probably hissing at him too. Charmander? Charmeleon's evolving. But it just went back to level 100. Why is she so mad? Alright then. Oh, Charizard. Oh no. Why? Ah. Is this some kind of weird glitch or something? Oh, it is. Some weird glitch in Mimpi's dreams. Always happens. Even this. Let me give it a test. This too. Stop dreaming. Alright. Oh my god. I remember Pokemon. Yes, I do. I still like it as of today. Oh no. Again? Hey, you have Pokemon. Come on, let's battle. Oh gosh. Let me do this again. What again? Why? That's my favorite pet action too. He's... Oh man, no. 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 Oh my gosh. Eee! Oh, music. No, no, no. What? No, 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 no. Oh my god, no. Stop. Do that, Donnie. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. What? The music? I guess I'm right, I guess. I can't breathe first. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, Luna. Get up already, ma'am. Hey, music seems pretty nice. Oh my gosh, this too. Your turn, Oscar. Hee hee hee. Then will be the mice later. In case they're here. There you are. Of course I want to play with you. Ah, music. What's going on? What's going on? Why? You keep thinking about snacks, are you, Luna? Finally! Hee hee. Mice! Oh no! What have you done to Pokemon? Oh, yay! What are you saying? Nothing. Donnie, no. Ooh, and now it's the Garden of Butterflies. Okay. Why, you want some, Luna? Okay. Where's another daily quest item? I just pick up one. What? What have you done? What have you done to the game? What have you done? Are you kidding me? The music. Here goes Oscar again. What are you going to do now, Oscar? Get revenge? Well, that's not the case. Ah! Why, Luna? Why? No! Ah! I got another one. You again? What the? The milestone's still here? Okay then. Oh, nice rewards you have here. Okay. I know Luna wants me to continue or something. Yeah, I guess so. No! Playtime! You wanted me to play the game so much. Why don't you cheer me into this game? And you're like, come on, you can do it! I get it. Are we reacting to this for a little bit? Oh gosh, this game's completely busted when you do that. Oh dear. Hey, Buffy, let me tell you something. Yes? Aww. those are two options. Okay. No. Why, Poppy? Why? Woof. Huh? What in the world? What moves are you going to teach me? I knew it, that face. I've been there for a week, so let's go. Check October's quest dungeon, Puzzle Dragons. What are you mad at, Poppy? That's how it looks like? Kind of cute, to be honest. Why, Poppy? Why? Oh, man. Music. No, you're doing it wrong. Now, there's your lullaby. That's kind of tricky. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a new... He has no skills yet. Rainbow Meadow Dragon. Okay. This is how Luna wants to be. She wants me to do it. She wants me to play the game because it's full of cats. Why? Every game now? What's up with the Rainbow Meadow Dragon? Why? Is that a new one? Compared to Diamond Dragon? King Diamond Dragon? It's compared to that. Oh man. Now you have rainbows in this too. I got it. Now it's the first time seeing him, isn't it? Yeah, I'm still at the Puzzle Dragons today. Huh? Just like Pokemon. Why? I've been playing Puzzle Dragons for years. Poppy? You have a lot of 1-up or something? Why? I guess so. You have no reason why we have to do that for no reason. Ooh, yeah, no reason why. What do you mean? Yikes! What the? This was supposed to happen. Oh, hello there. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. I already know. Luna. You didn't even hiss at these cats, too. Oh, man. Poppy, you could do this for a while. Oh, stop. Not you, Poppy. Molly keeps on doing the same animation. Which is calling me not yet. Oh! It's the music. Really? Molly. Oh my god. Yeah, there you go. I knew it. Uh, what the? I don't like this. Ooh. What the? Not again. Oh my gosh. For now, you have to stay up there. No! Over here. Much better. Stay up there. Wake up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who's the dog? Like I already know who is. Okay. The music. Ah! No, no, no. What? No, 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 no. I have to repeat it again. I'll start playing, no problem. What, Puppy, what? Give me a second, please. She's like, come on, start playing. Okay, I will. Oh my gosh. No? Sorry, Poppy, I didn't mean to. I have 76 of them. Oh, the boosters. Right here. Johnny! I'll do it. Ah, now she's hissing that over there for no reason. Okay. Because that's even the weirdest thing in the world that she always does this. No. Alright, Pokemon. Oh, yeah. 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 What? The high-pitched noise to the music. Of course. Starting! What? What's going on? To be completely honest. My fur. Dude, instant. Oh my gosh. Is that Poppy? What in the world? This is for no reason, Poppy. Right? Okay.